How to recover deleted voice recording from Android phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you recover deleted voice recording on Android phone. So here, what you could actually do is check the app's built-in trash or recycle bin. So open up your file manager first thing, and when you have a file manager right on this page, you could go ahead and click on storage, and then here you should be able to find any sort of audiobook or recordings right over here. You could go ahead and tap on the three dot icon, and then you could locate the bin section as well. And likewise, other than that, what you could also do is you simply want to make sure to go ahead and tap on the menu bar. There you have a trash bin, and here as well you should be able to find it. So now if it has been permanently deleted, then it's going to be quite difficult for you to recover. But if you've only deleted it on your device and not permanently, then you should be able to locate it on the trash or bin section as well. So this way you should be able to recover deleted voice recording. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.